Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the screw on the side cover of the device and unlatch the cover to remove it. Identify the 3.5-inch hard drive and disconnect the cables. Lift the drive out of the system and unlatch it. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it back to the system. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the side cover and secure it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.